Hello, how's everybody doing today? Today we've got ourselves a 2001 Isuzu Rodeo. Got it not long ago. Ain't even got to drive it yet. I'll show you why. See that crack right along my pinky? Radiator was busted. I knew it when I bought it. Don't know what busted it. I mean, it looks kind of odd it being right there. But anyway, I'll check into that, make sure the hood didn't come down, smack it or something. Because right here, you can see it's been coming down and hitting that on both sides. I'll check into that, because I could possibly have smacked the cap on the radiator and caused it to do that. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to change that out today. Got a new one over here. I ain't never worked on one of these before, but I guess there's a first time for everything. Not really looking forward to it, but here we go. I've already taken the overflow thing off. It's laying over on the hood of that old smoky truck. Somebody's already put a new radiator hose on the top. All that. I guess at first I'll drain the aniseed out of it. Well, we got her out. Not as bad as I thought it would be. But right down there, see the round hole, metal sticking out. It's where the bottom of the radiator sits, and they're supposed to have a rubber bushing like this side has got, but it don't have it. I thought maybe it might have fell out on the ground or whatever, but I couldn't find it. I've looked several times. That's the only thing about working on something in the grass is when you drop something, it's hard to find. But I don't think this had it from the get-go, because I leaned my arm up on the radiator a while ago and the bottom did wiggle on that side. So kind of wish I had something to put back in there, but I don't. I guess we could go look, make sure. Okay, I couldn't find my tripod. I try to give you a view, but sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. You get what you get, I'm sorry. I'll find my tripod eventually. Okay. See? It's just that simple. First thing, we'll put the little metal doohickeys on. It's got the very same little rubber things. That's probably where it went. One on that side. One on this side. Yep, very same. Imagine that. Anywho. This vehicle sat all winter. Since about this time last year. It had a small transmission fluid leak, and the person I bought off of never did want to check the transmission fluid. Did I change that much? No, you're good. Because there is no dipstick on this model. Which is great, right? But there is a way to check it. Okay, see it? That really don't tighten the radiator up all that much. It just kind of sort of keeps it in place, I guess you could say. Bottom half of the shroud was next. That's in these two little grooves down near the bottom. Once I don't want this thing to blink. There it is. Yeah. Now we gotta get the other top half. Into it here. This holds back. Snap it into the door. On both sides. Come on, you. There we go. Uh-oh. That's not the correct radiator. Oh no. Now what? Crap. Maybe put the one in it. What would I do to hold the rest? The fan hit there? No? Wrong radiator. Not cool. Not cool, Advance Auto. $200 for that. You figure it'd fit. Actually over 200 times taxes. Not cool at all. Nope, don't like that. Not cool at all. Now the little insert thingies I want to spin. This has not been my day, I just tell you. Holy. I don't dare run it without the shroud. It is a four-wheel drive vehicle after all. Well, I'm going to fix this side. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Well, the radiator hose is in the correct place. Now what? Zip ties maybe? Let me go see if I can locate some zip ties. Cable ties, whatever. Be right back. Zip ties. Mechanic's best friend. Sometimes. I don't like doing this, but it's gonna be done. I'm not taking the radiator back. It took me overnight to get it. Not to mention that it was $200. Whew. That's the worst part. I'm into it. And what's blue as well? And down. It don't leave a little rubbing. It's a bit close though, I don't like that. What to do? Just pull it a little tighter. That's what I'll have to do. Alrighty, it's later in the day. We've got her all back together. Took it for a little test drive. Got the camera at home where I would have filmed a little bit of that, but you know how it goes. Sometimes you forget. The only thing I don't like about this radiator, we bought it, give over $200 for it or whatever, you know, it costs us $200. The bolts don't line up for the shroud to bolt back to. It's for one Isuzu Rodeo 3.2 V6. Excuse me. You see, I did get one bolt to go in, but you see how much it's off. I don't understand. But anyway, it's in, it runs, it don't leak. That's all that matters. guess that'll be it for this video. Gotta go feed my livestock and stuff. Go in, settle down for a while. Start uploading videos, I guess. But anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe we'll do something a little different to this little rodeo eventually. I do need to paint the rims. They're kind of rusty. There's one on the back on the other side that's real bad. I'll show you right quick before I let you go. Yeah, there's one. Paint's flaking off of it. And that right there ain't got much paint left. So, anyway, as always, thanks for watching. And have a great night.